Okay. It's 9 a.m. on the 20th. I would have vlogged last night, but we had no power, therefore no light. We've been running the gas oven in our kitchen to keep us warm. And Boo Boo's having breakfast. And Puppy's happy that he's an indoor puppy, and so is the hamster and the fish. Because it's nice and warm in here, believe it or not. It's about 65, 67 degrees in here.
I'm mad about the TV.
Got a radio going out in the kitchen. And the oven opened up to keep us warm. Yep, no TV. The Ingles got nothing on us. We can do this. And then, I'll take you guys to the front, where all the candy bottles are for Chrissy. Oh, she mistook them. There's our refrigerator food. Our refrigerator's already warm, so we brought it out the front porch because it's cold out here. And the deep freeze is still keeping pretty cool. You can't see out the front windows. This is what it looks like. The blizzard hit bad last night. But if you look through the window, there's somebody trying to plow on the street. That's Jeff's car. He tried to go to work in that car this morning. He got forward and he is stuck. He cannot move the car at all. It's history. So he had to take my car, which I'm glad my car started. He was able to take it. So that was kind of nice. I gotta get in here and keep this warm. So we put a banky over the door and we're actually doing okay. People are worried about us, but we've only been out of electricity since 4 a.m. and like I said, it's 9. And we're going to wait and see how long it takes, aren't we?
Yeah.
Break out the sweatshirts and stuff and we'll just stay warm in here.
But you see the things that made us lose electricity is that...
Oh yeah, the transformers blew up, yeah. Kept hearing transformers blow up all night long, didn't we?